Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
Huh? Did you hear that, B1?
I hear that, B2.
That sounds like emergency!
Oh!
Pardon, B1.
Excuse me, B2.
Emergency! Emergency!
Huh?
Do you still hear it, B1?
I don't still hear it, B2.
How strange.
Very strange.
Bananas! What is it? What happened?
What was all that noise?
It's a mystery.
A big mystery.
I hope it doesn't happen again.
It was freaky.
Time for breakfast, B2.
A nice, quiet breakfast, B1.
Just the birds singing sweetly.
And the breeze blowing softly.
Cheers! Emergency!
Emergency!
Oh! Pardon, B2.
Excuse me, B1.
Emergency! Huh?
Bananas! There's that noise again. And now it's stopped again.
What's going on?
Emergency!
Ow!
That's it. We need to get to the bottom of this mystery noise mystery. But how?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Let's Ask Charlie time!
A mystery noise, you say?
A very loud mystery noise.
How loud exactly, Bananas?
Sorry, Charlie.
Are you all right?
Fine, thank you. This sounds like a mystery worth solving, and I think I've got just the thing. Let's see. It's not my my super bouncy bouncer ball, and it's not my ultimate expando tent. Here you are, Bananas. Just what I was looking for. My latest invention, the mystery noise detector.
A mystery noise detector?
You can detect any mystery noise with this. It makes even the quietest noise sound very, very loud.
Did you hear that, B2?
I heard it, B1.
With these mystery noise detectors,
We'll find that mystery noise for sure.
Now remember, Bananas, when you hear a mystery noise, just follow the arrow. It will lead you straight there.
thanks, Charlie.
Good luck.
Ready, B1?
Ready, B2?
Let's find that mystery noise.
Banana detectives, we're on the trail, hot on the track. Banana detectives, whatever the mystery, it'll soon be history. Banana detectives, no case too hard to crack.
Can you hear any mystery noises yet, B2?
No mystery noises yet, B1. I wonder where our mystery noise has gone.
It's a mystery, that's for sure.
Did you hear that, B1?
I heard it, B2.
It's a different noise.
What could it be? It sounds like cracking.
And it sounds like crunching.
Could it be a monster?
If it is, I hope it's a friendly monster.
Look, B2, the arrow's pointing to where the sound came from.
Then let's go that way, B1.
Shh. Can you still hear it, B2?
No, everything seems to have gone quiet again.
There it is. But where's the noise coming from, B2?
It's coming from up in that tree.
Should we take a closer look?
I think we should. Look, B1, a nest of baby birds.
That was the cracking and crunching noise.
It was the sound of the baby birds coming out of their eggs.
It's all right, Mother Bird.
We don't want to hurt your babies.
That's one mystery noise mystery solved, B2.
But it wasn't the same mystery noise that woke us up this morning, B1.
Huh?
Did you hear that, B1?
I do hear it, B2.
Another mystery noise. Look, B1, the arrow.
It's pointing over there.
Wait, B1. What if this time it really is a monster?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's banana disguise time!
Do you think we're safe, B1?
You bet, B2. No monster will ever recognise us now. Listen, B2.
I can hear it, B1. The noise is coming from the Teddy's house.
Look, B2. In the window.
It's a monster.
And it's after the Teddies.
Don't worry, Teddies.
We'll save you!
What colour will I use next? Oh, I know! Yellow for the flowers.
Don't worry, Lulu.
We'll save you.
Look out, monster!
What monster?
Ah! Stay back, monster!
Leave our friend alone.
I think we've done it, B2.
I think we have, B1.
You're safe now, Lulu.
The monster's gone.
There aren't any monsters here, Bananas.
There aren't?
But we heard them with our mystery noise detector.
It hears every sound around.
And we heard a strange scratching sound.
Like monsters sharpening their claws.
Or like pencils on paper?
Pencils on paper?
There it is!
That's the sound.
You see, it wasn't a monster at all.
But we saw the monster in the window.
And there he is now.
There, Lulu. The cleaning's all done. Oh, hello, Bananas.
That's no monster.
That's Morgan.
Now do you believe me?
Oh, we found lots of mystery noises with our mystery noise detector.
But not the mystery noise we wanted.
Do you hear that, B2?
I hear it, B1.
It's the noise we're after.
What is it, Bananas?
We don't know.
Where's it coming from?
That way.
Then let's go after it.
Oh, stop, you silly thing! Stop! Stop! Finally.
Good work, Camembert.
You found our mystery noise.
There's no mystery about it. I bought it on sale at Rat's shop.
Rat's shop?
It's supposed to tell me when it's milking time, but the silly thing doesn't work properly. It keeps going off all the time.
Oh, well, at least we've solved the mystery noise mystery, B2.
I think we have, B1.
But I need to know when it's milking time or there won't be any milk to drink in the morning.
What?
No milk. We have to have our milk.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's back to Charlie time!
Can do, Bananas. The cuckoo clock's right here.
Thanks, Charlie.
But there's one little change we'd like you to make.
Thank you, Bananas. It's wonderful. What is it?
It looks like a cuckoo clock to me.
It used to be a cuckoo clock, Morgan.
But now it's a milking time clock.
A milking time clock? I've never heard of one of those.
Well, a cuckoo clock goes cuckoo, cuckoo.
And a milking time clock goes...
Milking time! Milking time!
Oh, thank you, Bananas. Now I'll never miss milking time again.
Mystery noise! Mystery noise! There must be a mystery noise somewhere. Listen, did you hear that?
Hear what?
That! And it's coming from over there!
Surprise!
Bananas! Was that you making that noise?
If you mean this noise, then it was us, Morgan,
We've brought a present.
from Camembert.
It looks like fresh milk.
It is fresh milk.
It's the first milk Camembert made after we gave her the new milking time clock.
And she wanted us to have it.
Great!
Fresh milk's the best. Much better than being deafened by mystery noises.
And it's all thanks to Camembert.
Thanks, Camembert.
Cheers.
Oops, sorry, Morgan.
That's okay. That's one mystery noise I'm always happy to hear.
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to trash the unawares.
Oh, yes. What a fine rat I am. Quite the most handsome rat in Cuddlestown. From the top of my hat and my elegant whiskers down to the tip of my magnificent tail.
Morning, Rat.
Oh, yes. Good morning, Bananas.
What are you doing, Rat?
Actually, I was just admiring my splendid tail.
Oh, it's a fine tail, all right.
A very fine tail.
And long.
Probably the longest tail in all of Cuddlestown.
Do you know what? I think you're right, Bananas. And if my tail really is the longest, then I'll hold the Cuddlestown record.
What's that, Rat?
You hold a record when you're the best at something. So if I have the longest tail, I have the best tail, right?
Right.
But to be absolutely sure, I'd need to measure all the other tails in Cuddlestown.
How will you do that, Rat?
I don't know. Oh, if only I had some friends who could help me.
We're your friends, Rat.
So we'll help you.
Marvellous. But there's no need to let anyone know what you're doing. At least until it's official. Know what I mean?
No.
But we'll still help anyway.
Excellent. Now you'll need this string to measure everyone's tails. And remember, no one must know what you're doing.
You can count on us.
Imagine it.
Ready with the string, B1?
Ready, B2?
That's funny. I don't remember seeing those bushes before. They look like they could do with a trim, though. Where's my snippers?
Snippers?
Huh? Where did they go? How did you get there? Amy! Lulu!
He doesn't have a tail at all, B2.
Then let's go.
What is it, Morgan?
Have you noticed these two strange bushes before?
What bushes?
These bushes. They're gone.
Morgan, if this is a joke, it's not very funny.
Pedro's got a tail, B2.
A very curly tail, B1, which will be very tricky to measure.
Let's hope this does the trick. Morning, Pedro. How are you today?
Oh, morning, B1. That looks like a delicious apple.
Do you think so?
Yes. Are you looking for someone to share it with you?
You know what, Pedro? I think you can have this whole apple all to yourself.
Really?
You bet.
Gee, thanks, B1.
My pleasure, Pedro. Bye.
Oh,
It's them, B2.
If anybody's got a longer tail than rats, it'll be either Topsy or Bernard.
Then let's get measuring.
And I grew them all myself.
Oh, how marvellous, Topsy.
Hi, Bernard.
Hi, Topsy.
Hello,
bananas.
Have you been looking at that big bird?
What big bird?
That one up there.
I can't see a bird.
Me neither.
It flew across there.
I still can't see it.
Me neither, I'm afraid.
It seems to have flown away. Oh well, it wasn't a very interesting bird anyway. Bye.
Bye.
Well, don't keep me in suspense anymore. Who has the longest tail in Cuddlestown?
Let's see. Here's how long Morgan's tail is.
Not very long at all, because he doesn't have a tail.
Yes. Get on with it.
And this is Pedro's tail.
When it's uncurled.
Ha! Definitely not as long as mine.
And this is Topsy's tail.
It's the longest one so far.
But still, not longer than yours.
Oh, I can barely bring myself to look. Well,
I think it's decided, B1. The longest tail in Cuddlestown belongs to...
tell me.
Rat!
Me? Oh, did you hear that? I won! Wait here, Bananas. I'll be back in a moment.
Hi, Bananas.
What's Rat's big hurry?
He's number one.
The best.
The best of what?
Without further ado, I'd like to present myself with this ribbon in recognition of the Cuddlestown record for the longest tail.
Cuddlestown record. That's amazing.
I want a record too. Can I have a record, please, Bananas?
Rat?
Well, you can't have my record for the longest tail. I've won it, and I'm keeping it.
But there are lots of different sorts of records. We just have to think of the things we're best at.
Great!
But we'll need someone to check our records.
We can do that.
Right, B2.
Then let's get going.
Can you see it, B1?
It's up there, B2.
And it's very high.
The highest one of all.
So what do you think, Bananas?
I'd say it's official, B1.
Officially official, B2.
The record for the highest flying kite in Cuddlestown goes to...
Amy!
Congratulations, Amy. Allow me to present you with the record holder's ribbon.
Hooray! Now, one last dab. There. What do you think?
Hooray! It's a big painting, B1.
A very big painting, B2.
So, is it official?
It's officially official.
Congratulations, Lulu.
You now have the record for the biggest painting in Cuddlestown.
Lulu, I present you with your record holder's ribbon. Congratulations.
Well, B1,
I don't think there's any doubt, B2.
the record for the longest jump in Cuddlestown goes to Topsy!
Well done, Topsy.
Hooray! Whoa! Well?
I think he's done it.
I think he has, B2.
Pedro, you have the record for the muddiest pig in Cuddlestown.
Oh, yes! Oh, I knew I could do it!
Congratulations, Pedro.
My turn. Can I go next, can I?
You bet, Morgan.
What would you like to be best at?
Running. I'm always good at that.
Running it is.
Right, Morgan. Are you ready to run all the way around Cuddlestown?
No problem.
Ready, set, go!
See you soon, Ah!
Are you okay, Morgan?
Oh, my leg hurts. I can't win the running record now.
Don't worry, Morgan. Just choose something else.
You're good at lots of things.
Okay, Bananas, I'm ready.
Right then. Stand by to get the record for the longest swing ever over the Cuddlestown River.
Oh, dear.
Poor Morgan.
This time I'll get a record. I know I will.
Are you sure you feel okay, Morgan?
No problems. Pass me the ball, please.
Right. Get ready for the Cuddlestown ball throwing record.
Good luck, Morgan. You can do it, Morgan. 1, 2, 3!
Oh, dear.
Poor Morgan. He tried so hard to break a record.
He probably tried to break more records than anyone else.
Maybe he did.
Maybe he broke a record.
And we didn't even know it.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's Morgan's record time.
It's not fair. Everyone has a record except me.
Morgan, come out. We want to see you.
Huh? What do you want?
We'll tell you when you get here.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Congratulations, Morgan. Here's your Record Breakers ribbon.
But I didn't get a record.
You got the record for trying to break records.
So I did. Wow! Thanks, everyone.
Now we all have our very own Cuddlestown record. Hooray!
Hey, wait a minute. The Bananas don't have a record yet. They should have one too.
And they will. Bananas, you officially hold the record for being the most helpful bananas in Cuddlestown.
Did you hear that, B1?
We've got a record too.
Hooray!
Now that we're all record holders, we should have a big celebration.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am B2.
It's Munchy Honey Cake time!
And just this once, I'll give everyone Munchy Honey Cakes for free.
Does that mean we can eat as many honey cakes as we like, Rat?
I don't know about that.
Because we could get another record. The Cuddlestown record for eating the most honey cakes ever!
What?
It's okay, Rat. Just one honey cake each will be plenty.
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to catch them unawares.
It's morning tea time, B1.
And what's for morning tea, B2?
What else? Yellow jelly!
And munchy honey cakes.
Yum! Did you hear that, B1?
I hear it, B2.
That sounds like Postman Rat. Good morning, Postman Rat.
Good morning, Bananas.
Do you have any letters for us today?
Any letters? Let me see. Ah, a postcard for the teddies. A parcel for Pedro. No, that's my lunch. An umbrella for the rain. My trusty postman's ladder for delivering letters to anyone living upstairs. Ah, here we are. One letter for the bananas.
Thanks, Postman Rat.
I wonder what it is.
It's an invitation from Bernard to his special event this afternoon. Not that I know, of course. I certainly haven't opened it and read it. Postman Rat would never do that. Bye!
Look, B1.
What is it, B2?
It is from Bernard.
What a lucky guess by Postman Rat, B2.
A very lucky guess.
And it looks like his special event is going to be very special.
Wow! What exactly is a special event, B1?
I don't know, B2, but it sounds very important.
Hello, Bananas.
Hello, Dolly.
Can you please hold my paints while I get my easel?
Happy to help, Dolly.
Maybe Dolly knows what a special event is, B2.
Why don't we ask her, B1?
Ask me what, Bananas?
What's a special event, Dolly?
Oh, well, a special event can be all sorts of things, like Farmyard Pets Day, or Hug a Sheep Day, or even a birthday.
A birthday? Oops.
Sorry, Dolly.
Don't be sorry, Bananas. Look at the beautiful painting you've made.
Do you think the special event might be Bernard's birthday, B1?
It has to be, B2.
Then we need to get him a present.
But what kind of present?
What sort of thing would he like?
We need to find out more about Bernard, B2.
But how, B1?
We need to do some spying, B2.
Where we sneak around and watch others.
But they don't know that we're watching them. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
It's Super Spy Banana time!
A mission? What kind of mission?
A top secret mission.
Top secret?
Shh! Not so loud.
Sorry. If it's top secret, it must be very important.
All clear, B1?
All clear, B2. Shh!
Here, Bananas.
What is it, Charlie?
Everything a super spy needs. A super spy telescope to see things a long way away. A pen full of invisible ink so you can write down everything you see. And best of all, your super spy disguises.
A disguise? Is that like dressing up, B2?
Shh! It's dressing up so no one knows who you are, B1.
Your super spy hats, your super spy sunglasses, and most important of all, your super spy moustaches.
Thanks, Charlie. Now we've got everything we need, B1.
Shh! Everything we need to be real super spies, B2.
All clear, Super Spy B1?
All clear, Super Spy B2.
Now we're ready to find out what Bernard really likes.
So we can choose the perfect birthday present.
Look out! Here he comes now.
Quick, hide.
I'm so looking forward to this. I want my special event to be extra special.
I think I smell honey, Super Spy B1.
I think I hear bees, Super Spy B2.
Bees! Run, Super Spy B1!
I am running, Super Spy B2! That was close, Super Spy B2.
Oh, much too close, Super Spy B1.
Come on, we'd better find Bernard.
I think he went that way.
Thank you, Master Rat. I am greatly indebted to you.
Not a problem, Bernard.
And remember, I need everything delivered to Barkington House in time for my special event.
But of course, Bernard. As I always say, if you can't trust a rat, who can you trust?
I give up. Who can you trust?
No, it's just a saying. A saying I always say. If you can't trust a rat.
Oh, right. Who can you trust? Oh, very witty. Well, keep up the good work. Cheerio, Rat.
Bye, Bernard. Oh! Good afternoon, strangers. Welcome to my shop. Funny, you look just like my friends the bananas, but with hats and sunglasses and great big mustaches.
Bananas in mustaches?
What a silly idea.
Yes, quite. Now, is there something I can help you with?
Yes. What was Bernard buying from your shop?
Bernard? Or just 20 dog food bowls?
20 dog food bowls?
Why would he need those?
For his special event.
Thanks, Mr. Rat.
You've been very helpful.
I'm sure I know them from somewhere.
We know one thing about Bernard, Super Spy B1.
What's that, Super Spy B2?
He must like food a lot if he needs 20 dog bowls to eat it from.
Very good, Morgan. That sounds excellent.
Anything else you need, Bernard?
No, Morgan, that's all. Just 20 flying discs, 20 skipping ropes, and 20 bouncing balls.
Your special event's going to be super special.
That's the idea, Morgan. See you there.
Bye, Bernard.
Did you hear that? 20 flying discs
20 skipping ropes.
and 20 bouncing balls.
That's a lot of toys to play with.
So if Morgan's giving Bernard toys,
And Rat's giving Bernard bowls.
what can we give him?
We need to find out more about him. Careful, Super Spy B1. Don't let Bernard see us.
Right you are, Super Spy B2.
That's funny. I thought I heard someone. Huh? Oh, I must be working too hard on my special event.
Look, Super Spy B1. There's Bernard with Camembert.
Let's see what they're saying, Super Spy B2.
Excellent, Camembert. And remember, I need enough milk to fill 20 bottles.
20 bottles of milk?
He must be really thirsty.
Look out, here he comes.
Quick, hide!
Huh? Help, B1!
I've got you, B2.
Oh, hello, Bananas. What are you doing here?
We're not doing anything.
No, nothing at all.
Just taking our moustaches for a walk.
Oh, I see. Have a nice time. And remember, don't be late for my special event at Barkington House.
Now, let's see. What has our super spying taught us about Bernard, B1?
We know he likes food, B2.
And he loves to play games, B1.
And he's very, very thirsty, B2.
So, what are we going to get? We need the perfect present.
Perfect present? What do you need that for, Bananas?
For Bernard's special event.
We just can't think of what to get.
Oh, what about a bone?
A bone?
All dogs love bones.
That's it, B1.
A bone, B2.
That would be the most perfect present ever.
Congratulations, Bernard. This is an excellent party.
Oh, why, thank you, Rat.
Hello, Bernard.
Oh, welcome, Bananas. Oh, goodness me, what's that you've got?
It's for you, Bernard.
For me?
It's your present.
Present?
Happy birthday, Bernard.
Oh, Bananas, you make me wag.
Why's that, Bernard?
It's not my birthday.
It's not?
But it's your special event.
It's a special event to collect things for all the puppies in the Lost Puppy Home.
Oh, really?
Didn't you see Bernard's invitation, Bananas?
Yes, but...
We didn't see anything about lost puppies.
It was on the other side of the card, Bananas. You see?
If If only we'd known, we could have brought something for the lost puppies too.
And all we have is this bone.
Which is really 20 small bones wrapped up like one big bone.
Because we thought you liked 20 of everything.
No. There are 20 lost puppies, so they need 20 bowls and 20 toys. 20 of everything, in fact.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1?
I think I am, B2.
Puppies like bones, just like big dogs.
So our 20 bones will be perfect for the 20 lost puppies.
Yay!
Will I never?
Never, ever.
Well done, Bananas.
The puppies will love these.
Wow, B1. We brought Bernard the perfect present after all.
And we didn't even know it.
Bananas in pyjamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pyjamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pyjamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they will try to trash them unawares.
More toast, B2?
Yes, please, B1. More honey, B1?
Yes, please, B2. What would you like to do today?
What would you like to do today?
I'll do whatever you want to do.
And I'll do whatever you want to do.
I'd like to play with balloons.
And have some cake.
And sing some songs.
And play some games.
All the things you can do at a birthday party.
To the calendar!
We always put a big red circle around birthdays.
Look, the next big red circle is Lulu's birthday.
But that's weeks and weeks away.
Oh.
If only every day was someone's birthday. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1.
We'll make every day
Our birthday.
It's party time!
Bake some honey cakes, a special tasty treat. Yellow jelly too, that's good enough to eat. And eat, and eat, and eat. Don't forget to hang some paper streamers bright. Put them all around and make a pretty sight. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's a party to prepare. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's lots of fun to share. There's a party to prepare.
What will we do after breakfast? Let's go see the bananas.
They'll have something fun to do.
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Lulu.
Birthday? Today?
It's not Lulu's birthday today, Bananas.
We know that.
It's weeks and weeks away.
Then why are you giving me a birthday surprise?
We love birthday parties so much.
We don't want to wait until it's your real birthday.
We want to have one today
Let's get some plates.
and have some birthday cake.
What are you going to do, Lulu?
Is it right to have a birthday party when it's not your birthday? But the bananas did go to a lot of trouble. They'd be sad if we tell them you don't want a party.
Let's make the Bananas happy. Let's have the party.
Time to cut the cake, Lulu.
And make a wish.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Lulu!
Thank you, bananas.
That was a great birthday party.
Even if it wasn't my birthday.
We'll do it again.
Really soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Do it again?
Really soon? I think I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
That party party was lots of fun, B2.
I could have another party right now, B1.
Then let's do it.
It's another party time!
Hello, Bananas.
Hello, Rat.
What can I do for you?
We need birthday whistles, Rat.
And some birthday tinsel.
I didn't know it was someone's birthday today. Whose birthday is it?
Surprise!
It's your birthday, Rat.
Happy birthday!
Oh, Bananas! This is delightful! This is amazing! This isn't my birthday.
We know that, Rat.
It doesn't mean we can't have a birthday party.
But I had a party, don't you remember?
We remember it, Rat.
It was pyjama-rific.
That's why we want to do it again.
But we don't want to wait until next year.
We can have another party right now.
Here's your birthday present, Rat.
Cheese? My favourite! How did you know?
We just took a guess.
Another birthday party? Already?
I just saw Rat and he told me the Bananas gave him a birthday surprise.
But Rat had his birthday last month. Don't they know that birthdays aren't meant to be every day?
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Amy!
Uh-oh.
Bananas, it's not my birthday today. My birthday isn't for ages.
We know that, Amy.
But we don't want to wait for ages.
So happy birthday!
Who's the next birthday party for, B1?
I think Morgan,
Then Topsy,
Charlie,
Bernard,
Tolstoy and Thomasina,
Midge and Peck,
Pedro,
Camembert.
and Dolly.
What's wrong, B1?
That's all our friends, B2. We've run out of birthdays.
Oh, dear.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B2?
I think I am, B1. We'll start all over again.
It's birthdays every day time! Let's get ready for Morgan's party.
Hats,
Balloons,
whistles.
party away!
You really think I'm next?
We've both had birthday surprises, so your birthday has to be next.
Then the Bananas will give someone else a birthday party.
Oh, it's never going to end.
Morgan,
Run!
We've got a surprise for you.
What are we going to do? Hide!
Where?
Anywhere the Bananas won't find us. Go! Run, Morgan! Run!
Run from the birthdays!
Morgan!
Teddies.
Where did they go?
We can't have Morgan's birthday surprise without Morgan.
I know. We could have someone else's birthday surprise today.
And have Morgan's birthday tomorrow. Pyjama-rific! Topsy!
We've got a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Your birthday surprise.
Happy birthday, Topsy!
But it's not my birthday, Bananas. Sorry. Gotta go. Bye!
We know it's not your real birthday.
But why wait to have all the fun?
You can have lots of birthday fun today.
And every day. Topsy!
Why is she running away, B2? Doesn't she want a party?
Everyone wants parties, B1. I don't think she heard us properly.
Then let's go after her.
Come along. Everybody inside.
Thanks for hiding us, Bernard.
The Bananas won't find us here.
There's our friends.
Wow!
Hello, friends. It's birthday surprise time.
I never want a birthday surprise, even when it is my birthday.
Who should get the birthday surprise, B2?
Any one of our friends will do, B1.
The first friend we find
Gets the surprise. Who wants a birthday?
Hello?
It's the birthday Bananas.
Anyone ready for a birthday?
We can give you one.
Anytime.
Any place.
Come back.
Come and have some fun.
They won't find us in here.
Who won't find you?
The bananas. Ah! Bananas!
Surprise.
Happy birthday, Morgan.
But it's not my birthday, bananas!
We know that.
We want birthdays all the time.
But bananas, it's wrong.
Wrong?
Birthdays are special because they're only once a year. If you have birthdays all the time, they're not special anymore.
Birthdays are always special.
Birthdays are great.
They're not so great if you have one every day.
Oh.
We're sorry, Bananas. But we agree with Morgan. You can't have birthdays every day.
It's not right, Bananas. Not right at all.
So, no birthday party today?
Not today.
Or tomorrow.
Or any other day.
Only when it's someone's real birthday.
I thought parties were fun.
And that everyone loved them as much as we did.
Poor Bananas. We've made them sad.
At least they now know they can't have birthdays every day.
But we should cheer them up. They were just trying to be nice to us all.
And they are our friends.
Let's do it! Yay!
Maybe our friends were right, B2.
Maybe birthday parties do need to be special.
And if you have too many birthdays,
Then they're just not special anymore.
Surprise!
surprise?
For us?
But
It's
not our birthday.
We know it's not your birthday, Bananas.
And this is not a birthday party.
It's a party to celebrate you not having any more birthday parties.
Until someone's real birthday.
We promise no more birthday parties.
Until there's a real birthday.
Yay!
Talking of parties,
Let's start this one!
Right, let's all play.
Balloon chase!
Next time we have nothing to do,
We'll know exactly what to do.
we'll play party games.
Because you don't have to wait for a party to play the games.